Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take a jump while bowling. To begin, understand that the jump hook is an advanced technique designed to increase ball rotation and create a sharper angle into the pins. Start your approach with a balanced, athletic stance, about 4 to 5 steps from the foul line. Ensure your feet are shoulder-width apart and hold the ball comfortably at chest height, ready for a smooth, powerful delivery. This foundational setup is crucial for executing the subsequent dynamic movements. As you begin your approach, take your first 3 steps smoothly, building controlled momentum. On your 4th step, initiate a small, controlled jump, lifting your feet just a few inches off the lane surface. This jump should be more of a hop, maintaining balance. Release the ball at the peak of this jump, ensuring your hand is directly behind and under the ball. This precise timing is critical for imparting maximum lift and rotation, creating that desired hook. During the jump, synchronize your hip and shoulder rotation with your arm swing, generating power. As you land, aim for a soft, balanced landing on both feet, absorbing the impact to maintain your stability and control. Immediately after releasing the ball, extend your arm fully towards your target, completing a high, natural follow-through. This ensures consistent ball trajectory and helps prevent injury, allowing your body to flow through the entire motion. To master this technique, practice the jump motion without a ball first, focusing solely on balance and timing. Once comfortable, incorporate the ball, concentrating on consistent footwork and a repeatable release point. Dedicate at least 30 minutes per session to these drills. Remember, refinement comes with repetition. Don't hesitate to seek feedback from experienced bowlers or coaches. Their insights can significantly accelerate your progress and help you perfect your jump hook.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.